Now, I've got a very important question here that I would like to ask. Now, seeing advertisements for the Lexus December to Remember savings event, you see a lot of the cars in the ads with those big ass ribbons just stuck to the top of the car to make it look like a gift, to emulate the idea that you are possibly gifting this vehicle to a person. So, this may be a stupid question, but do you buy the car from the dealership, and do they give you the option to supply the big ass ribbon? Is it like when you go to a trinket shop or like a gift shop and they go, "Would you like this gift wrapped?" They ask you if you want the big ass ribbon? And if so, do they stick it on the car for you? I feel like that could be a pretty big safety hazard. Because if that shit just goes flying off when you're going 60 miles an hour down the highway, you could fuck some people up. That shit could right on someone's windshield, sticky side down. Or do they just give it to you and it's kind of like a normal size ribbon with like the adhesive sticker that you pull off, but it's just fucking massive. And then you stick it on once you bring it home and unveil it to like your teenage daughter for her fucking sweet 16 or whatever happens. Or your wife who needs a new car. Or your grandpa who needs a new car or something. That's what I'm wondering. Because I'm assuming that the car market just has a monopoly on big ribbon manufacturing. And who makes those? Do normal sized ribbon factories also make the big size that sell specifically to car dealerships? Can you buy those from a store? I've never seen one in a store. I would assume you could buy one online if you so chose to do such a thing. Now, if I was gifted a car, or I was gifting someone a car, brand new, nice, lumpy, kind of turd shaped piece of fiberglass, like the majority of cars are now, and it had a big ass ribbon on it, to like serve the whole like social like status of like, oh, this is what you do, to like let someone know that the car is a gift to them. That would just be a pain in the ass. That would take up so much space in a garbage bag. I obviously use extra garbage bags every Christmas for presents and shit. But yeah, it just seems like a pain in the ass. And I don't know if I've ever seen a car driving around with a big ass ribbon on it. It's a strange item. Let me know what you think in the comments.